Singapore because he was Indian or a national of India where they believe in pre-arranged marriages. I asked her, what is the best test when choosing a spouse? And she said, it is not beauty of male or feminine nature. It is not power or wealth. Because, you know, wealth can even be a source of friction between the couples. If one is very poor and one is very rich, hindi rin kayo magkasundo eh. But instead, the most important quality for a happy marriage is that you should have the same moral values in life. So I pass that on to you. I met my husband, who was wildly in love with me, like all young men and women, because they're full of testosterone. So don't flatter yourself, it's all biological. I met my husband. He was not the handsomest man in the world, but he was certainly the handsomest man in the Philippines until today. And then some means far beyond the financial capability of my own family. But I chose my spouse for life because we shared the same moral values. I have, of course, been addressed by certain temptations when I was abroad. But my husband has always supported me in my lifelong advocacy for honesty, for the endless search for the truth of our lives. For we do not know what truth is. We do not know what is the nature of God, whether God created us. Hindi natin intindi ang Diyos. Dahil kung naintindihan natin, hindi na siya Diyos, kamukha na natin siya. Kung hindi natin naintindihan, pareho na rin na walang Diyos. Dahil hindi mo nga naintindihan ang pag-iisip niya. Maski mga summa cum laude at magna cum laude ninyo, walang nakakaintindi ng isipan ng Diyos. So it is very, very important that we must have religious tolerance because we do not have a monopoly of truth. Pangalawa, we all come from the same universe. Do you realize that you are made